sprayer leaks and it gets all down your butt crack. Oh, people. Get a clue. So happy Veterans Day. I have a Army soldier here who's out of town until lunch. I have his key. I'm watching his dog. And I figure before he gets back, wouldn't it be kind of cool if we cleaned up this house a little bit? Made it nice for him. He's going through some life changes, I could say, that I went through myself a few years ago. So he's out of town right now with his family, and when he comes back, it'd be nice to maybe make something a little bit easier for him, especially in relation, okay, doggy, in relation to, you know, his home life, make things just a little bit simpler for him. So what I'm going to do today is in the back, right here, I have about a half a gallon of 6% Clorox that I had on a shelf, and I got about a gallon and a half of water, and I got about an ounce or so of Dawn Blue dishwashing soap, and it's not the one that says do not mix with bleach, it's the other bottle. So we talked about that in my last house wash video I did a week ago and posted it. So that's what's in here now. What I'm going to do this early Veterans Day morning is just spray the house down and garden hose it clean and do his back here, which is the north side, and the north and the west get yucky. So we're going to go ahead and knock out the north side that we can access right now and get it all cleaned up. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to put my coffee cup down, and you know, I kind of talk in code because there's some things you just don't talk about with customers. For one, his personal life, but I want you to understand that I'm doing this for him because I know what he's going through, and so I just want to help him out. And it's Veterans Day, and he's a veteran, an active duty veteran, and he comes back today from visiting family. It's not deployment, but 4-day weekend, being in the military for Veterans Day. You know, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, you're off. So he'll be back today, picking up pieces and putting his house in order. And I just think it'd be nice when he lets his dog out that the backyard looks nice. So that's why I'm doing it. All right. But I can't tell you guys everything. You know what I'm saying? It's not my place to do that. He's more than welcome to come on and do his own YouTube video. And he knows I do videos, but he also knows that I don't discuss names. Like, I code name people, you know what I mean? Like the neighbor, or Single Mom Rescue, or Save a Lawn, Save a Life, or the mayor. You know, I have code names for people. I don't put out too much personal information. I just don't think that's cool. But what I'm going to do, let me put my coffee cup down out of the way here. We're going to pump this up. We're going to spray this on, let it dwell, move the camera over, do the other side, and then we'll come back, rinse it with a garden hose, and hopefully he's going to have a nice clean backyard. Let's see. Be right back. A lot of mildew on this house, which is typical for your northern side. And so we'll see what happens. You can already see that house is getting pretty clean. So I do video series, pressure wash without a pressure washer. So this kind of goes along with it. I give you guys different ideas and tips and tricks on how you can just do simple, quick cleanups. And like I said, if you're worried about your backpack sprayer leaking down your ass crack, then go get an office job for real. It's not gonna happen, and if it does, go rinse off. It's just a little bit of bleach. It's not straight bleach. You know what I'm saying? It's diluted bleach. It's not. I mean, if you're that sensitive, then you probably shouldn't be doing this work. Is my point. But you see, this is getting cleaned up right away. Getting real nice. we'll go ahead and move the camera to the other side. Nice coat, not too much. Get it on the air conditioner, just rinse the air conditioner, okay? Again, it's not straight bleach. You're not gonna kill anything right away. You're not gonna hurt anything. Just rinse it off. Pretty much clean. I didn't even take a garden hose to it yet, and it's pretty much clean. Pretty bad butt, huh? Alright, we'll go check the other side. It's almost like a race against time with the sun being too much in your eyes, but I mean, look at how much cleaner it is, and we haven't even rinsed it yet. It's just coming right off with just the pressure of the sprayer. So you could do a second coat real quick. What's it gonna hurt? We got a little bit left. That's my first coat on this side because that's the east side and there's never any mildew on the east side. So when we hit that with the garden hose, it's gonna come right off. It's gonna be nice, real nice. I mean, look at that. Remember what it looked like? Look at that. Let's go check the other side. So the other side got pretty much instant clean. One more quick little coat. Now what will give you trouble doing it this way is you don't have a lot of pressure to clean, to rinse. So you might catch some fits moving the dirt off of the vinyl. You just gotta have some patience. But I mean, look at what you're doing. With, what is this, a $50 backpack sprayer and a half a gallon of 6% bleach? And I can charge 50 bucks to a customer and say, hey, let me wash the back of your house. 50 bucks. Add it to your lawn day. I mean, that's nice and clean. We'll move it over to the other side now and do the rinse. Garden hose thing has, you know, your different settings. So I got it on shower. We'll just see what it does. Just got to get the flow going. That's the hose, that's not me. Smells so nice and clean. Little soap, little bleach. See up on the top, the little black pieces? That's the roof shingle little pebbles. You gotta get a flow to get those off with light pressure. We'll do that later. Windows just get clean. I don't know. People ask me if they spot. They don't. I don't know if it's because of the soap or what. What you think? Backpack sprayer, half a gallon of bleach, and that's it. thing to me is rinsing off anything metal in the windows. Those are your most important things to rinse. And remember, you're not dealing with freaking caustic acid here. It's diluted. What are your questions? Half a gallon of bleach. So it cost me about $2. And how long is this video? Very little off video time here. So what you're seeing is what you get. I didn't do anything off camera. I can move the camera, started it right back up. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whole backyard clean. Back of the house. Done. Too easy. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Tell me about the WIDS.